What's your name, by the way?
L.
L. You got YouTube or Instagram or business you want to shout out?
No, I'm good.
Okay, this your daughter there?
9 to 5, yes.
Happy Easter to her.
Thank you.
I don't mean to be thank you. I don't mean to be intrusive, but I had to get you. You from the city?
No.
Where you
County.
from? County. Okay, respect that. Just had to get
What are you filming for?
YouTube.
What's your channel?
414 LA.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. I just had to tape a
So I'm
beautiful.
gonna be able to see this on there?
Definitely.
Alright.
Definitely. Lamar.
Lamar?
Yeah, nice to meet you. I appreciate your time. Thank you. How you doing, bro? Right now. Okay then. Sunday, boy. How y'all doing? How you doing, bro? Yes, sir. What's that?
I was admiring it myself.
Oh, yeah. What's your name, bro? Mom. You got an IG or business you want to get off? 414 LA, bro. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Take it easy, bro. You from out here? Respect, bro. Milwaukee. Just came out for the show.
Last time I checked, I was the man on these streets. They call me residue, I leave blow on these beats. Feet got down real close. Man, I shit on niggas. Even when I'm constipated, I still shit on niggas. Yeah, got some super friends in the Legion of Doomsday.
Car dancing. Crazy. Laying down. Squatting. Definition of squatting.
Read up on the first and again on the pill. Yeah, we travel down.
How you doing, bro? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Say happy Easter to them babies, man. How you doing, man?
Right.
Top 5?
No.
Just like the apparel?
Just apparel, yeah.
Respect. What's your name, though?
Tim.
You from the city of St. Louis?
No, I'm from Indiana.
Indiana, respect, bro. Nice to meet you, man. You got an IG business you want to get on?
No.
Respect, bro. I had to ask.
Okay.
Good seeing you, bro. Have a good day, man. Enjoy the show. How y'all doing, man? Excuse me. I see you ain't playing.
You alright?
Yeah, I see you ain't playing over here.
Oh, man, this OG, man.
Yes, sir. Clean as hell.
Yeah. too?
Yup. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You got the same?
Yup. Yup.
Okay.
What's yours, by the way?
Chip G.
Chip G. This your
That's me
Skylark right
there.
here.
Yeah, that's me.
That motherfucker ready for
Right
Easter.
on, bro. Right on, man.
Set it off right. Set it off right. Appreciate it, bro.
No, appreciate you.
Definitely. You from out here in St. Louis?
Nah, I'm from Indiana.
Indiana, respect. Milwaukee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you right up north.
Yeah, man. You got a couple states out here, man. It's a good affair.
It is, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, ain't nothing like it, man.
Yes, sir. Grandma, moms.
That's my mom.
There we go.
Yeah.
We like that, man.
Love, bro.
They all out here. They
Yeah.
with us.
I'm gonna be on your YouTube, man.
Oh, yeah, man. We got it. Y'all take it easy now. How y'all doing? All right now. That's y'all bike here? That's your bike? I seen you riding it. What's your name, by the way?
Edra.
Andra?
Edra.
Edra?
And this is the sauce.
There we go. Well, what was the motivation behind the bike, the build?
The build, well, I wanted to start out, I wanted something sexy. I wanted everything about it to be sexy. I love the blue colors, the aquas. This is my fourth motorcycle.
There you go.
Yeah. Second cruiser. But I wanted something kind of different. I didn't want the normal flame, so I asked him to give me something different, so he gave me this.
Oh yeah, like a
Flowers up in
flower.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And he put a little pink in there.
I see. So you've been riding for a while, huh?
I've been riding for 33 years.
33 years. All right, now. Like to hear that. You got a IG or business you want to get on?
Huh?
Instagram or a business, something you want to?
Oh, no.
Respect.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
All right, now. I appreciate your time. Have a good day.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Did you get the heart over there?
The car?
The heart?
Oh, yeah, I got everything. Got a blower in there. There go the money. I smell it. How y'all doing? Happy Easter, young ladies. How you doing, bro? That pretty dog. This dash. Going on, man? Gotta get the real shine.
Bust it, baby, bust it, baby, bust it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, baby, pop it, pop it, baby, pop it, come here, baby, come here, baby, come here, baby, come here, baby, throw it back, baby, throw it back, baby, throw it back, baby, throw it back, baby.
What up, fam? Back on the road. How you doing? Can't complain. See you running, man. What's your name, bro? Is all you?
This her.
A lady driver. Here we go. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. I like your car. What we got here?
This is 65 Impala, Chevy Impala. All original, same motor, same tranny, 49,000 miles on it.
Okay then.
And I redid the whole thing myself in my driveway.
Okay then. I salute that. I salute that. I appreciate your time too. What's your name, by the way?
Kesha Edwards.
Kesha Edwards. 44 LA. YouTube channel Lamar from Milwaukee. My real government name. Thank you for your time. It's a beautiful build. You raced it all?
I did it all.
I see the Reaper on there. Got me like, you know what I'm saying?
Say reap her though.
Yeah, I got you. Definitely. Did a good job on that interior too.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
First time for everything.
Oh yeah, it's all yours. So
Yeah, I love it.
you know, ain't nothing else to say after that.
Yeah.
That's right. Have a good day. Thank you for your time.
You too. Thank you.
Definitely. That's beautiful right there. How y'all doing, man? See it? What up, fellas? How y'all doing, man?
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all want to get something off?
Everything's fun.
Where y'all from, man? Where y'all from? St. Louis? All right, now, man, y'all take it easy, bro. Youngsters, enjoying the show. Excuse me, bro. The one, not the two. The one, not the two. How y'all doing, man? The one, not the two. I hear. There we go. There we go. Playtime, St. Louis. All right, now. Well, what's the motivation behind the?
Oh man, it's all good. We just big brother, little brother. One roll of six.
Okay,
one roll of switches.
You said one roll of switches, one roll of switches.
One roll of 26s, one roll of switches.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Y'all got an IG or something y'all want to get off?
No, it's all good.
Respect, bro.
Playtime.
There we go. Playtime, St. Louis.
So St. Louis.
What's that?
So St. Louis.
There we go.
So St.
So
Louis.
St. Louis. I like that, bro. Appreciate y'all time, man. Take it easy, fellas. Them Lincolns back to back. Ain't playing. catch it. Yeah. Milwaukee. 414. Yeah. Where you from? St. Louis. Yeah, definitely. I heard.
This how we ride.
Definitely. I heard so St. Louis.
Always so St. Louis, baby. This how we ride.
Somebody gave me the game. You got an IG or something you want to get off?
Huh?
You want to get an IG or business you want to get off or something like that?
Business K Secret Closet _ Amy Cheney, Deep Dope Girl Fresh. That's a boutique.
There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day now. Definitely. I'll be back. Definitely. Appreciate it. They said go catch the action. They go to action. How you doing, bro? That's you? You ain't gotta run, man. It's yours, shit. I get you in the camera, bro. What's your name? Travis. Nice to meet you, bro. 414 LA, man. That's a beautiful car, bro. Yep, take it easy. You got something you want to promote?
Man, Ingram Tip Top Fitness, 314-332-4828.
There we go, bro. Appreciate your time, bro. Thank you. Y'all good? Y'all good? Thank you, though. Thank you. Hey, now. What up, fam? We got a beautiful city out here. Everything looking good. Y'all doing, man? How y'all doing, man? Might get y'all vest. All right, now I appreciate it, bro. Big boys playing. And he pushing. How y'all doing, bro? Dedicated Car Club, I see you, baby. He ain't playing. Summer ready. What up, bro? Enjoying these cars, man. Oh. All about, we don't forget them.